Dear students, welcome to my 8th class on Module 4, Curve Fitting and Statistical Methods. In this lecture video, I will be discussing fitting of the power function y is equal to a into x power b. Okay, how to fit the power function y is equal to a into x power b? The first thing is we have to convert this power function in terms of the straight line equation. Then we have to frame the normal equations there. Okay, to convert this equation y is equal to a into x power b as straight line, I am going to apply log with base e on both the sides. So after applying log with base e, I got the equation log y with base e is equal to log of a into x power b with base e. To expand this equation, I am going to use log ab formula. It is given by log a plus log b. It will become log a plus log of x power b. So I got log y with base e is equal to log a plus log of x power b with base e. Now to expand this log of x power b, I am using log of a power x formula. It is given by a into log a. So it will become log y with base e is equal to log a with base e plus b into log x with base e. So now I am replacing this log y with base e as capital Y, log a with base e as capital A, keeping small b as it is, and replacing log x with base e as capital X. So I got some equation and it is a straight line equation. Now I'm going to frame the normal equations for this curve. But to calculate the capital Y, capital X, the formula is given by capital Y is equal to log y with base e, capital X is equal to log x with base e, and to calculate small a, the formula is given by e power a. Now the normal equations are summation y is equal to na plus b summation x and summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. A small note, if a is equal to log 10 with small a base 10 has been given, means to calculate small a, the formula is a is equal to 10 power a we have to use. Problem, fit a curve of the form y is equal to a into x power b by the principles of least squares by the following data. The data is x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is equal to 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. The first thing is we have to convert this y is equal to a into x power b as straight line to frame the normal equations. By applying log on both the sides, for the above equation y is equal to a into x power b, the equation will be y is equal to a plus bx will be getting. So here this y is nothing but log y with base e, a is nothing but log a with base e, and x is nothing but log x with base e. So now I am going to frame the normal equations for this curve. So I will be getting summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x, summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So now I need to calculate the value of summation y, summation x square and summation xy. The tabular column must have small x, small y, and to calculate capital X the formula is log x with base e. To calculate capital Y the formula is log y with base e. Next we have to find xy and x square. So log with base e, in the sense in the calculator we are supposed to use ln. So now I am going to calculate x. So log of 1, log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.6931, log 3 is 1.0986, log 4 is 1.3862, log 5 is 1.6094. Next y, to calculate y the formula is log y with base e. Log of 0.5 is minus 0.6931, log 2 is 0.6931, log 4.5 is 1.5040, log 8 is 2.0794, log 12.5 is 2.5257. Now finding xy, multiplying capital X and capital Y, I got 0, 0.4803, 1.6522, 2.8824, 4.0648. X square, squaring all x values, I got 0, 0.4803, 1.2069, 1.9215, 2.5902. Now I am going to calculate summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square. So adding all x, I got summation x is equal to 4.7873. Adding all y, I got summation y is equal to 6.1091. Adding all xy, I got summation xy is equal to 9.0797. Adding all x square, I got summation x square is equal to 6.1488. Now I'll be replacing these summation values in the normal equations. I got 5a plus 4.7873b is equal to 6.1091. 4.7873a plus 6.1488b is equal to 9.0797. Now solving these two equations, we got capital A is equal to minus 0.7543 and b is equal to 2.0640. So now to calculate the value of small a, the formula is given by a is equal to e power a. So e power minus 0.7543. So I got the value 0.4703. So now I'm going to replace the value of small a and small b in the power function equation. Y is equal to a into x power b. I got y is equal to 0.4703 x power 2.0640. Problem number 2. Fit a curve in the form y is equal to a into x power b for the following data. X is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is equal to 2.98, 4.26, 5.21, 6.1, 6.8, 7.5. So same thing again. Take the curve y is equal to a into x power b and take log with base e on both the sides. So after applying log with base e on both the sides and simplifying the equation, I got the equation log y with base e is equal to log a with base e plus b into log x with base e. It will become y is equal to a plus bx, a straight line we got it. Now I am going to frame the normal equations. So I got summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square are the normal equations. We got it. So now take a tabular column. It must contains x, y, capital X, capital Y, capital X into capital Y and capital X square. So small x is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Small y is given by 2.98, 4.26, 5.21, 6.1, 6.8, 7.5. Now I am going to compute the value of capital X. So it is given by log x with base e. Log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.6931, log 3 is 1.0986, log 4 is 1.3862, log 5 is 1.6094, log 6 is 1.7917. Now calculating log y, it is given by log y with base e. Log 2.98 is 1.0919, log 4.26 is 1.4492, log 5.21 is 1.6505, log 6.1 is 1.8082, log 6.8 is 1.9161, log 7.5 is 2.04149. Now multiplying capital X into capital Y, 0, 1.0044, 1.8132, 2.5065, 3.08506, 3.6101. So x square, squaring all capital X, I got 0.4803, 1.2069, 1.9215, 2.5901, 3.2101. Now I am going to compute the summation of x, y, xy, x square. So I got summation x is equal to 6.5790, summation y is 9.9316 and summation xy is 12.0192 and summation x square is 8.9286. So now I am going to replace all these summations in the normal equations. I got 6a plus 6.5790b is equal to 9.9316, 6.5790a plus 8.9286b is equal to 12.0912. So on solving these two equations, I got a is equal to capital A is equal to 0.93319 and b is equal to 0.6585. So to calculate the value of small a, the formula is e equal to e power a. So it is given by e power 0.93319. So I got small a is equal to 2.5426. So now replacing this a and small b value in the power function equation, I got y is equal to 2.5426 into x power 0.6585. Problem number 3. Find the best values of a and b by fitting the law v is equal to a into t power b for the following data. V in terms of feet per minute is given by 350, 400, 500, 600. T in terms of minute is given by 61, 26, 7 and 26. So now I am going to frame the normal equation. The given curve is v is equal to a into t power b. Applying log on both the sets, we got log b is equal to log a t power b. So log b is equal to log a plus log t power b. I got it. Log b is equal to log a with base e plus b into log t. I got it. It will become capital V is equal to a plus bt. So here v is nothing but log b with base e, a is nothing but log a with base e, and t is nothing but log t with base e. So now I am going to frame the normal equation for the curve v is equal to a plus bt. So I got the normal equations like this. Summation v is equal to na plus b into summation t. Summation tv is equal to a summation t plus b summation t square. So now we need to calculate summation v, summation t, summation tv, summation t square for the tabular column. So small t is given by 61, 726, 726, and v is given by 350, 400, 500 and 600. So now I'm going to calculate capital T. It is given by log t with base e. So log 61 is 4.11.1108. Log 26 is 3.2580. Log 7 is 1.9451. Log 26 is 3.2580. Next one v. So v is obtained by log v with base e. So log of 350 is 5.8579. Log 400 is 5.9914. Log 500 is 6.2146. Log 600 is 6.3969. Now multiplying capital T and capital V, I got 24.0806, 19.5199, 12.0929, 20.8411. T square, squaring all T value, I got 16.8986, 10.6145, 3.7865, 10.6145. Now I am going to find summation T, summation V, summation TV, summation T square. Summation T is given by 12.5727, summation V is given by 24.4608, summation TV is 76.5345, and summation T square is 41.9141. So now I am going to replace all this summation in the normal equations. I got 4a plus 12.5727b is equal to 24.4608, 12.5727a plus 41.9141b is equal to 76.5345. So now on simplifying this equation, the value of capital A we got 6.5744 and small b is equal to minus 0.1461. So to calculate small a value, the equation is a is equal to e power a. It is given by 7165155. So now I am going to replace this small a and small b in the power function equation. So I got small v is equal to 716.5155 t power minus 0.1461 is the required equation. Thank you.